माँ के किचन में आपका स्वागत है। टुडे आई एम ब्रिंगिंग वेरी नाइस रेसिपी फॉर यू, वेरी शॉर्टकट एंड easily you can make it in house. It's called dimmer chop. Yeah, in English name is dimmer devil, egg devil. So before I should start, please guys, subscribe my channel, like my channel please, so I can bring more dishes for you, and put icon bell also. So guys, let's start dimmer chop or egg devil. Let's start. So guys, for egg chop we need for egg boiled. I already boiled egg. Then we need potato, boiled one. We need coriander leaf, dhania leaf, pudina leaf means mint leaf, ginger garlic paste, gram flour and rice flour. I already mix it together. It will come crispiness more. We need black pepper powder. We need small chaat masala and small shahi garam masala. So guys, let's start. First, what we do, we will smash the potato very well. Then we will put pudina leaf, dhania leaf together and ginger garlic paste. All put masalas together. If you like chilies, you can put green chilies also, or you can put red chili powder also, and mix together with salt and yellow powder. So guys, let's start. Very yummy recipe, dimmer chop or egg devil. Let's start. So guys, I already smashed the potato. Now I will go to put everything. Mint leaf, dhania leaf, ginger garlic paste, black pepper, then chaat masala and small green chili also, and I'm going to put small garam masala also. Okay, everything I will put. We'll put salt also on your taste. Guys, I always like typical food, because when I'm staying in Lagos I miss all those things, but I am trying to make in house all those things. So I'll put yellow powder, and mix very well. Properly mix it so the masala will go inside. Properly mix it, because if you put pudina leaf or dhania leaf, aroma is coming very nicely. So I already mixed it. So guys, see, I already mixed it. So now I am going to cut the eggs. If you think you can like whole eggs, so you can use the whole eggs, but I want to cut the eggs. So guys, I am going to cut eggs. If you like, don't cut the eggs. You can make it whole. So one egg I cut 2 pieces. If you think you can use full egg, you can use it, but for my choice I already cut the pieces. So this texture is their texture, so we will go to mix together. we'll take a light ball, then we'll press it, then we'll put the egg inside. Properly we have to mix. Hold the eggs, we have to mix it very well. So is like 4 eggs, you can make it like that. See, I use like this. So all the 4 eggs you should make shape like that. So guys, I already make it shape. These all the shapes, see, like 4 eggs. So now I am going to start. Gas. So we're going to start for fry now. Okay. So we'll go put oil. We need deep oil to fry. Let oil hot and we'll start to fry. So guys, here rice flour, gram flour, and if you like for more crispiness you can put small suji also. Then I put black pepper also. Now I'm going to mix it. Besan you have to mix very well. Very properly you should mix. Then we will dip the egg devil or egg chop. Then we will make it one by one. But the gram flour and rice flour and suji you have to mix very well. No need to any clumps inside. You should mix very properly. Then one by one we'll fry it. So guys, the oil is hot already. So now we will put one by one deeply inside that gram flour paste. And we will fry it. Slow the flame because it is already hot. One by one we will fry it. So one by one we will do. So here guys is done. We will remove it. Very nice recipe. You should try guys. So we have finished. We off the gas. Now we'll small. We make a design. Then we will serve it. So guys, here the recipe. Demer chop or egg devil. Please guys, try this recipe. Very nice recipe. Everyone like. Is our children, yeah, your husband, yeah, your in-laws. Everyone they will like it. Please guys, before I should finish, मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है, कब खाऊं? So guys, please subscribe my channel and like button, so I will bring more dishes for you. But now you should try the egg devil or demer chop. Please try this recipe. Thank you. Bye bye.